We just hit 100 subscribers. And honestly, I didn't even think we would get this far, especially not this fast. So if you're subscribed right now and you're watching this video at this very moment, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank y'all enough. Y'all are freaking amazing. So to say thank y'all, I'm giving away my KTC Mini-LED IPS monitor to one of y'all. And trust me, if I could, I'll give one to every single one of y'all. Can't do that yet. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show y'all the list of rules so y'all can enter to win this, and I'll be sending this monitor to one of y'all. The shipping is on me, but more on that at the end of this video. All right. This right here is the Acer Predator X27U W1 OLED monitor, 1440p, and it cost me after taxes $337. So what is the X27U W1? It's the same panel tech as my LG that I main. It's a 1440p, 240 Hz, and near instant OLED response time. So on paper, it's basically going head to head with my main screen for $200 to $300 less. Should I have bought this instead? So before we unbox it, let me tell y'all, I like to test my monitors 1 week at least before I review them. This monitor came in a little late, so today we're just gonna be unboxing it, see what comes in the box. But next week, we're gonna be putting it head to head with my LG monitor to see if it's even worth it. So for now, let's unbox it. All right, so straight out the box, we got our manuals, instructions, little booklets. We have our 3-prong connector. Comes with an HDMI cable. It does come with a power brick also. You get your base that reminds me of the one that came with my LG monitor, with a built-in screw for the base, and the actual stand neck that reminds me of the LG one as well, but this one doesn't seem to have any cable management features. Quick disconnect. And of course, you get your monitor. One thing I noticed off the rip, doesn't come with the VESA screws pre-installed. It has its own power button, it has a joystick, and I personally like joysticks better than having buttons down here or on the back side. So you got a feel for them. With joysticks, you know up and down, you know left to right, and you know how to push in. This is the first monitor I've ever tested that has its separate power button from the joystick. Usually you can just push the joystick in and it cuts on. All right, now for the ports. You got your power supply in, audio, display port 1, display port 2, HDMI 1, and HDMI 2. Also, I believe this monitor comes with 2 speakers, which I think this is a speaker grill right here. I've honestly wanted a monitor with speakers. Here's how thin it is. Here's the thinness right here. It does have this little BBL back here, but not that bad, honestly. Here we have the front side of the monitor, Predator down here. It does have blue light shield if you're sensitive with your eyes. The stand is rotatable, tiltable, swivelable, and everythingable. 0.03 millisecond response time, 240 Hz, HDR10, DCI P3 99%, Elon Musk. Honestly don't know what that means. 1440 QHD, quantum dots. It's an OLED. All right, here's the swivel, tilt, down and up, height adjustment, down and back up, and rotatable. So my first impressions on this monitor, so far, first impressions, I'm really liking it. I like the speakers. I mean, look at it, it looks beautiful. Here's some Call of Duty gameplay. As y'all can see, the response time is pretty quick. You don't get no ghosting. It's honestly a pretty good monitor for fast-paced games, like any other OLED. And look at the colors, I think it looks nice, but that's expected from an OLED. And here, we're playing 007. It's a steel frame, but look, it looks stunning, amazing, beautiful. All right, the giveaway, because y'all got to 100 subscribers and I meant what I said. I'm gonna be sending one of y'all my KTC monitor because I really appreciate y'all. I mean, it is crazy we actually got to 100 in this short of a time. I'm just thankful, honestly. I wish I could do this more often, but money's kind of tight. But it's gonna feel good giving away a monitor to somebody else whose money's kind of tight and wants to upgrade their monitor. So the rules are simple. I'm gonna list them right here. First, be a subscriber. Second, like this video. And all this is honestly gonna help me be able to do this more often so I can help y'all. Third, and most important one is comment 100. That's it, just 100 for the 100 subscribers milestone that we've reached. Now this is the first time I do this, so bear with me. The giveaway start date is as soon as this video went live up until July 18th. So you got 2 weeks. We only have 100 subscribers ish right now, so your chances are pretty good. I'm gonna be posting a short selecting the winner, so y'all know that I'm not interfering with anything. Just remember to comment the keyword 100. That's 100. You can post a paragraph as long as it has 100 in your comment. I'll find you. So for instance, if you say, man, today I had a great day at work, 100, but I'm ready to go home, as long as you got that 100 by itself in there, I will find you. Also, when I post a short where the program finds the random winner, I'll come back to this video and pin the username of whoever won. So make sure you're on the lookout on that. That's gonna be July 18th, and get in touch with me so we can get your shipping information and get this monitor over to you. Another rule is gonna be US only. I won't be shipping overseas. I don't have the funds for that right now, so I apologize, maybe in the future. And speaking of that, shipping is on me. This is not sponsored in any way. It's not affiliated with YouTube or anything. So that's the Acer Predator X27U W1. First impressions was solid, but the real test is gonna be in the week to come. I'm gonna keep testing that out, see how it is, see if it's worth it for y'all. If y'all want to look into a budget OLED monitor, subscribe so you don't miss out on it. Give the video a like, comment 100. I love y'all. And like always, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.